everyone, my name is Jackson, and today we're going to do a little bit of unboxing. We're going to do a little bit of a lot of time on Legos and a lot of time on MicroMachines. These are very old, in the 1980s. They've been around, I don't know, they've been around so long. You can see they're tiny cars. People do actually have Micro Machine RC cars. So first we're going to do the Micro Machines. These were already opened. I got these from first Christmas. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, look at those Micro Machines. They have the car shop. Let's see what the back says. Up here it is right here. That's the car shop right there. Take those cars. It looks like these are the cars right here. Let's get them out. Ooh, the shop came without the cars. I thought the cars were on the shop, but they're actually not. So I'm just gonna tear this part right here apart because we don't need this part. I'm not gonna throw this away because it's the shop that goes to it. Plastic, even. I have a lot of mini Micro Machines at home, and we are at home right now. We just started this video. I did like 2 videos one time in a row because I needed to because we were practicing. And this is our first car. Right here. Our first car that I picked. I'm going to be getting that car out. This is how I like taking it. Look how tiny that thing is. Look how far it is. Dude, that is tiny. Up close, it's bigger. Okay, let's go with this bro. Where are the scissors? I don't see them.
Here, I'll get them for you. There you go. Would you like Daddy to use these for you?
No, I got them.
Okay.
I'm not sure what car to do. I'm doing this car right here. But it's not letting me get that string, so I'm just gonna go with the bottom of the car. Nope, it won't get. Oh, I think it would. Yep. It's getting there. Should sing it. Didn't even do a single damage to it. Even the motor would not come off. Now I got my second car. Hot rod. Or you can call it rat rod, I don't really care. Let me get it to where it's easier. I got this one and this one. And well, this one will not want to come off of me. It's like, nope, I'm not going to come off. Oh. Last one. I'll go. This is like a moving camera, so it's like an electronic camera, so I can move it. Okay, look. Let's see how good they do. Not bad. Not bad. And two more. That one is actually really good. We're doing some playing. Okay, now time for that thing. Even these are how many you can get. Right here. Okay.
Hi. I just thank you for everyone to watch my video. This is the only video that we're just meeting.
Yep, this is the first video that Jackson has. So we hope that you like it. We're in practice, so we wanted to share it with you, and we had a really great time as we opened up the MicroMachines. I had a fun time watching on the sides off camera, and Jackson had a really good time taking them out of the box and showing everybody. Because one thing he loves is to get new toys, right? But he also likes to show people his toys, right?
Yes.
I think that's the fire thing from the Captain America bike.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's from, oh, it is.
Okay, so what do we got to tell folks?
I love you.
Okay, I love you too. Now what are we going to tell the folks?
Like and subscribe.
Yep. Please, if you would, like and subscribe to the videos. We would really appreciate it. Also, click the bell. Yep. That way you can get all the updates that Jackson has from whenever he and Daddy make a new video. Because I'll probably be helping, which is cool. I'd like to be here and help.
Just like Poppy Playtime.
I don't know Poppy Playtime, but if that's
It's
the
a
case, it
YouTube
might be
video.
just like Poppy Playtime. Sure. So, if you like Poppy Playtime, give them a like, subscribe, and follow as well. So again, we thank you so much for watching, right?
Follow us on Instagram.
I don't think we're on Instagram, but we might be. You never know. Oh, there he is. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching. Say thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so we hope to see you next time on our next video. Bye-bye.